everything in the car. Yeah, still only 23 about it around that time.
Did you check the kilometers at the time?
Yeah, 88, and I didn't check it very long.
Maybe. What was the person?
If you say it
Was
was, it's 45 at the moment, but
How much you put in?
3 liters.
Really?
Yeah.
That's.
I got 4 liters or 5 liters, that's the bottle.
Uh huh.
I put it on like 2 to 3 liters, yeah, for sure.
You sure you put the right amount of oil?
Yeah, I checked it like it says here.
Check everything in
I
the
didn't
gym.
have to check how much you're looking for that one.
But you gotta check first what's leaking.
Okay. Everything.
Yeah.
I used to have one mechanic, but I moved here recently, so it's very far. I can't go there.
Where you used to live?
I used to live in. And it's still solid food. I'm not like the one that's section food.
Nah, those ones are not good, man.
Okay.
This is a good brand.
This is a good brand.
Yes. We use this.
So the service, the amount of creamer that they mentioned, like only do the servicing up. Yeah.
So that's what they do.
And they even mentioned in my next servicing they have to change the brake rims or something like that.
Brake pads?
Yeah, no, not the pads, the rims.
The brake rotors?
Oh, something like that, yeah. Not a smooth surface.
Yeah.
They say like, you do that, right?
Yeah, super brakes.
Yeah, that's it. So you used to work for Toyota now, like before?
Yeah, before my own business, I used to work for Toyota.